Kayla V and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today this video is going to be on hair. I'm going to show you all my curly hair routine. A lot of people ask me about this, about basically what I do to my hair when I wear my hair. This is my go-to style. Like, I like big messy looks. If this is not what you're into, then I really suggest you maybe search somewhere below or to another video, because that's what this is going to be about. So basically, a little deets on my hair. This is a U-part unit I made myself. I basically just sewed the hair onto a cap, cut out this U section, and pulled out some of my hair. And I actually took like 2 tracks and glue right here, just like 1 on each side, just so that my leave out could blend a little bit better. The hair that I have in that I use for this look is my go-to. This hair is literally over a year old. It's my Ondibu hair. I'll have the exact like details below, exactly the lengths, but I believe I got a 22, a 20, a 22, and a 24 in their Indian wavy curly. If I didn't get that right, I'll still put it below. But I got 3 bundles, but I did not use all 3. I probably have about 2.5 in here, maybe not even quite 2.5, because I can tease my hair and make it bigger. I don't need a whole bunch of hair on my head to be all hot and be matted and stuff like that. This hair does not tangle and all of that, but it's just my thing. So like I said, I just have like a little bit of my hair out on the edges, very little, like that much, like just enough for me to have them my little baby hairs, and then like a little bit just to kind of blend back if my hair was to blow in the wind, so that I wouldn't be out here seeing braids. So basically in this video I'm going to show you everything that I do. It's a very simple process, but everything that I do to get my hair from looking like this and make it look like this. I mean, of course, it's a little frizzy. I don't know if people like that, but I mean, I don't mind it. I like my hair to look a little bit, you know, untamed, so that it's not looking so perfect, because I feel like that looks a little more natural. But that's me, it's my thing. If it's not yours, maybe you could not tease as much as I do, or just pick another hairstyle. But if y'all want to see how I do it, just stay tuned and I'll show you all exactly how I do my hair like this. Okay, so what you'll need to start is comb all of your hair out. Comb it all out. You're going to be using a, okay guys, don't judge me. I probably never clean my brushes out, and I should do this because this is kind of gross before I even show y'all what kind of brush this is, because y'all not about to judge me. Okay, so, ain't judge this hair. Alright, so what I'm using is, this is like a typical kind of like dimming brush. I got this from my Beauty For You right by my house. Alright, so you're going to need that. You're going to need a water bottle. Spray bottle. Got that from like Walmart, I think. You're going to need what I use for my edges, my edge brush. Yes, it's a toothbrush. And it matters. And it's probably having me clean out for a while, but that also helps. I'll explain that later. My mother's calling. Yes, Mom.
2 hours later.
Alright, so your brush. This is very simple. You'll need a diffuser. Mine has gone through, but that shows you that I'm true to this, not new to this. Okay? A diffuser, it still works fine. You'll need your handy dandy blow dryer. Mine is just sitting down here over here on this chair. I have a Baby Bliss. Okay, first things first, guys. This is probably my most important thing in this video, is the type of blow dryer that you have. This is my holy grail. It goes everywhere with me. If I'm having curly hair, I'm not trusting the blow dryers in the hotels. I'm not trusting my friends' blow dryers. I'm not trusting anyone's blow dryers, because it matters. This is a titanium blow dryer. Just like it matters when you're flat ironing your hair with a titanium flat iron, it matters with the blow dryer. This is a Baby Bliss titanium blow dryer. It's called the Nano Titanium Baby Bliss Pro. Okay? Bong. Alright, and only thing I use in this hair, curl cream. I use this in any of my curly hair. It is Holy Grail number 2. Mark Anthony's 100% coconut oil and shea butter hydrating curl cream. And it eliminates frizz, tangles, and define curls and extra hold, and adds shine with biotin. Ooh, yes, holy grail. So basically, this is all you'll need to do what I'm doing. So I'm probably not going to talk anymore because I can get carried away. I'll talk at the end once I'm all jizzed up and cute. But right now, you guys can just watch what I'm doing. I'm going to kick some music on for myself. I'm going to play some for y'all. And yeah, just watch. And mind you, this hair has been cut. Like, I trimmed it a bit. It's not as long as it was when I first got it. Like, I think I had ordered like 24. Found out with the glue and stuff, and I mean, you could do this with a closure or frontal. I mean, that's up to you. But I need to see matches. I don't know. I'm claustrophobic, and frontals, closures, I can't breathe. So anyway, yeah, that's how I have this on. I literally cut this off, sit it down, pick it back up, sew it back on a couple braids in my head, pull my hair out, and that's how I wear this. I've worn this hair through like every freaking vacation I went on last year. But yeah, I'll do a whole separate review on this hair because that's not what this video is about. It's more so about my routine. But if you have any questions, I'm gonna end up doing a review so you can know about this hair. But so yeah, I'm just gonna finish combing all this out. Alright, bomb. That's for the most part, that's good. This hair doesn't show out either, like, it really doesn't. And mind you, I'm combing this out so disrespectful right now. And this is probably like all I got. And I was like, I didn't have to comb this hair in days, mind you guys. So like, yeah, I'm janky with this. But that's why I was spending money on my hair, because I don't have time to be really like wearing my hair and twist at night. I'm sorry. I'm just not that good of a girl. Alright, so hair is basically combed out. Okay, so that's all done. I'm gonna put my towel on me so I'm not soaking wet. And the thing is, I like to use a spray bottle. Reasons why is because I feel like I don't really need my hair completely drenched every day. Like when I do it, I don't have to do this every day. I'll probably do it like every other day. I ain't gonna fake. Curly hair is not like, ooh, wake up and go. No, it's not. And I don't mind because I like it. That's it. But so I like a spray bottle. And people with actual curly hair, I think I got this from my cousin that actually has curly, like big curly hair, and she used a spray bottle. I don't actually know why, but I do know that it makes a difference. I don't know why it makes a difference, but from like trial and error, like doing different types of things, I realized it actually makes a big difference. So it's not, and it takes longer to diffuse, so you're drenching your hair in the shower really, and you don't even need all that. You just need it, I'm gonna show you, just need it wet enough. So on my leave out, I usually wet that last because it doesn't require like a whole bunch of soaking. Okay, so just want to make sure I like separate it. So separate it into two sides. Tame this beast a little easier. Alright. I do not have a lot of my edges out. My hair is just barely any. My braids start right there. So barely any hair out. So controlling. Make sure them ends is getting real good. Okay. Alright. And sometimes you want to comb it through as you wetting it so you can see what you got going on. So you can see exactly like, okay, how much do I need to wet? Do I need to wet? The towel is gone. I'm just gonna wrap it or put it around this a little bit. So, and I mean, usually what I do, I spray my hair while I'm in the shower. Like while I'm taking a shower, because so that it's not water all over the bathroom floor. So I spray it while I'm in the shower. And I mean, the ends are gonna get wet in the shower because, I mean, you're in the shower. So I don't put my hair up nothing while I'm in the shower. Okay, listen, major key. Pull it apart and see in there. Like you don't want these dry in there. Like you want your hair, so you want all of these curls to curl up so that it's just not curls on the top. That's why people, when they just comb it and then let it dry, like you bake, your top is giving curly, but underneath it's still like just waves. I want all this hair up in here to give ringlets. If that makes sense. It better make sense. I'm explaining to myself. Alright, so you want it all in there to be wet. 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 Wait. Alright. I'm gonna stand up a little bit so y'all can see. Y'all want all this to come together. Like you want it to be a whole situation like that. finger, curl it a little bit. But just to make sure that it's all wet through there. So that you can really tell, make sure all of this is wet in here. Not drenched, like my hair is not dripping. My hair's not dripping, but it's wet, okay? All right, next side. Look forward. And sometimes combing it together will make the curls, will make like the rest of the curls get wet. Like that's why it's not necessary to drench it all, because like once you're spraying some of it, combing it together is gonna make the hair surrounding it wet, because that hair, the other hair is wet. So that's why it's important to make sure you're combing it while you're spraying it. And mind you guys, it doesn't like take this much time, of course, because I'm sitting down versus like when I'm doing, I'm standing up, so you can like, it's just different. So be mindful of that when you're watching these videos on YouTube. It's much, it's just different doing stuff on camera versus trying to do stuff, you know, for yourself normally. All right. Alright, so it's fairly wet enough. My back can take a little zhuzh. Cause please be mindful of the back of your head. Like so many people that I see completely like disregard the back of their head. Don't, just don't. Alright, I don't need it like, alright, yeah, I ain't gonna let it. Cause it hasn't been wet in a couple days. But, alright, this is what I do. I literally take my other holy grail. I don't think I might be mentioned this in the beginning, but this might only have to be the only thing that's called holy grail, because this is the holy grail of holy grails. Okay, this is legit. Like, hold up, for real. I don't think we understand. This is the best. I'm not gonna say for frontals or anything like that, because I mean I don't know, I don't use it on that. I use this on my regular hair and my natural hair. Slicking my baby hairs, you won't catch me using nothing else. Okay, listen to me. This is Johnny B. I don't think this is the company that makes it. Yeah, Johnny B Hair Care. That's who makes this. But the stuff is called dope, and it's dope for real. Okay, listen, it's textured gel. Alright, now I take my curl cream. I'm usually only probably about less than, maybe about a quarter, not a quarter. That might be a little more than what I usually use, but we're not gonna die. So I just take that, rub it on both hands, what I just did, wipe that through. I make sure I put enough on the top so it doesn't frizz, it's anti-frizz, and then I just really make sure I concentrate on the ends. And of course these were my bang pieces, my little pieces that come to the front. All right, and we just make sure we work that through. All right, and then we comb again. Guys, it does not taste a little chisel. All right. All right, now the diffuser. Okay, diffuser, blow dryer. Boop. I always do it on the highest setting. I don't know about other people, but it's what I do, and I haven't had a problem yet. So, I'm gonna say this right. Alright, one thing that's really important that I do midway through. Alright, that's all done. Look at these curls. Look at these curls. Look at these curls. Swirling. Alright, so what I do next, I don't like big hair. This step is optional, I guess. But I'm telling you how I do my hair, so why wouldn't I do it the way I do? Alright. Now I'm just making that side. See how this side is giving. This side is not. Okay. So I just need to add some more hair. Like, see that stuck together? I'm sorry if I'm looking past the camera. It's because I got a mirror right here, so it can help. I'm still getting into the hang of looking into the camera. But all right. Now I'm just checking to see if there's any more of these ones I want to break up that's just too fat. Like that. That one. Alright. Sometimes all I like to do is go from underneath the bottom. And like hold it out a little bit. I guess I'm kind of teasing it, but like not quite. Okay? So y'all see that. Favorite port. Alright. So what I do is I take my edge brush and my Holy Grail, my dope texture gel. I spray my brush because I like it to be a bit wet, but not too wet. Because I don't put on my dope straight on my brush because it is textured, it is firm, and it has a strong hold. So I don't want to be stuck with what I have. So basically, I like to just use the water by itself to help me like map out my baby hairs. I like to take my baby hairs from my ankle, kind of sort of, because my hairline is like this. Even though you can't see all of my hair down here, I think it's important to make sure all your baby hairs are popping, because if the wind blow and the thing fly back, darling, you want it to be like, oh, that's her hair, look at her edges. Alright. So, and I perm my hair. All the natural girls just gasped. Yeah, I perm my hair. I don't have time for that natural stuff. Listen, my father's every bit of a Jamaican, and my hair is every bit of it too. So, yeah. You won't convert me, so don't even come in my comments even trying to come over here trying to teach me the light, show me the light. I got the light. Thank you. Right here. Giving bangs or nothing. I be one of them that still give baby. I just not give talk, but cause that ain't it. That ain't it. I'm gonna take a little bit away because it's not that much necessary. But this is why I separate the booties, just to get a little more natural. Like, oh, that is the natural scalp right there. Yes, thank. Right there. So look, I hope I did not disappoint. I mean, you saw it at the beginning. But thank you again so much for watching. Until next time, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so that you'll be here next time I do. You'll be first in line next time I post my next video. But thank you, thank you, thank you. Love you all. Stay safe. And please, please, please tell someone you love them. They might need it.